What's tart and fruity and an antioxidant powerhouse? Well, today we'll be talking sumac on this week's Tasty Thursdays with Anna. Sumac spice is appealing for its lemon-lime tartness that can perk up plenty of recipes that include fish, poultry, and vegetable dishes. Using sumac instead of lemon juice or zest immediately enhances dishes, giving a fascinating and exotic twist. It's amazing the oil that you can feel from these berries. This sumac is just oozing with wonderful goodness. So I'm just pulling out all the stems and just getting it right to the little flowers. I wanted to extract as much medicine from these flower stems, so I'll be filling this pot with fresh water and simmering it for a little bit, jarring it, and then putting it in the fridge to add to soups this week. I actually, look, my hands are red, so I'm thinking this could be a dye too, because I've been trying to make my own blush. So I'm thinking that could turn into a blush somehow. I'm gonna figure that out. So what I'm gonna do with these is once they're complete, lay them out, dry them. Once they're fully dry, I'll blend them in a little blender, and there's your sumac spice. And then it makes a beautiful lemonade, so we pop that in there. Just gonna let it hold.
Infusing?
Yeah, so I'm just gonna, oh my gosh, you know those sour candies? Like sour? You know when we love those sour gummies? That is that. We gotta figure out how to infuse that and turn kids to that kind of candy. I'm gonna go see if I can make my cheeks red. It actually works. Oh yeah, I got a red lemon blush. What do you think?